If you want to know how to make a Tinkercad project public, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Making your project public is the key to sharing a view-only link that anyone can open without needing access to your Tinkercad account. That means no more sending people back and forth and no more confusion about permissions for the design you want to share. Next, find the project you want to make public. Hover your mouse over the thumbnail of that project. In the top right corner of the thumbnail, you should see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the Options menu, then select Properties. This is where Tinkercad keeps the privacy and sharing controls for your design. Once the privacy window opens, look for the Privacy drop-down menu. By default, your project may be set to Private. Click the drop-down and change it from Private to Public. This is the step that allows your design to be shared more easily and makes the view-only link available. After that, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the window and click Save Changes. This confirms your new privacy setting and makes the project public. If you skip this step, the change may not take effect, so always double-check that you saved it properly. Now that your project is public, you can get the Shareable link. Go back to your dashboard and click directly on the thumbnail image of the project. A pop-up window will appear with more details about that design. Scroll down until you see the Link section. In that section, you'll find the project URL, usually starting with tinkercad.com/things/ and followed by your design ID. Copy that link, and now you can paste it into an email, a chat message, a class assignment, or even social media. Anyone who opens it should be able to view the project without needing to log in to your specific account, as long as the project is set to public. So to quickly recap, the process is Dashboard, Gear icon, Properties, switch privacy to public, save the changes, then copy the link from the project pop-up. That's the complete way to make your Tinkercad project public and share it with other people. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.